Hi, I'm going to demonstrate some hip exercises. Bear in mind that this is the part 2, so in order to get here you need to go to watch our hip exercise part number 1 and carry on for 3-4 weeks until you get to here. So you start with some gentle mobilizing and warming up exercise in a standing position, and you have plenty of those mobilizing exercise in hip exercise number 1, part 1, and then side movement and rotation. Roll your legs. You can lean to a box or desk, and then do a couple of mobilizing exercise for your lower back region, which enables a proper range of motion and reduce tension in your lower back as the hip and the lower back are connected together. And then start with a gentle squat. Please remember, if you had any hip replacement, you have to be careful and advise your physio in advance, or if you feel really good, then you can carry on with this exercise in the week, let's say 6, 7, 8 onwards. And then squat with up to 10 kilogram weight. Open your feet slightly wider than your shoulder, and imagine there's a chair behind you and you want to sit on it, and repeat 2 times 15 with 10 kilogram weight. Then stand on each leg for up to half a minute, then build up towards 1 minute. This is a great exercise, static loading of the standing leg and hip. Again, squat with 10 kilogram weight and stand on each legs up to 1 minute, and make sure your body is aligned and straight, and this will be very good loading for the injured hip. Then you do lunges again without weight. Just go half lunges. Don't rush to go all the way down deep, and then you follow up with some balance exercise. Again, this is great for all leg injuries, including your hip. And then once you improve, gradually you build up towards some single leg squat on balance board. You can assist yourself by holding a wall, but it would be initially better that you don't hold anything and do this single squat. Don't go too far. And then line on the floor and use a resistance band around your both feet and do abduction. So pull all the way out and slowly return. Repeat 2 times 10. The next one, you pull and hold, count up to 10 until you get to the end, and each of them you can repeat up to 2 times 10. And please make sure you're not overdoing. While your body is warm up, you feel that you like to do more, but that's not the good idea. With exercising, is all about applying the right loading at the right time, right stage. That's how you improve your condition. If you do too much, you cause more problem, or if you don't apply enough loading, you don't improve properly. And then raise your legs with a straight knee and return, and the next one go up and hold up to 10 seconds, and the next one with the same resistance band in squat position. You walk around with your feet widening. Then at the end you do a couple of cat and dog stretches, which is very good to release the tension in your lower back and your hip region. Then you go for a good child pose, stretch out your entire lower back and the glutes region, and hold up to 30 seconds, repeat 3 times. The next one is hip extension and abduction. So basically you stand on your hand and your knee and raise your hip in a side way and bring towards your chest and extend. And the next one, just hip abduction in this position, which is very good for glutes muscle. And then lie down on your tummy and do raise your hands and your legs at the same time. Strongman exercise, which is very good for entire hip and lower back region. And of course, if you're stretching at the end, always will make a very effective session. Then you can walk with your hands on your front and kick your knee to your hands, and try to do it gently. Then go down, touch your toes, make sure your knee are straight. Stay there for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. Breathe deep in and out, and stretch your thigh muscle by holding your foot towards your bottom, and then go for a split. Touch your right ankle, hold for 30 seconds, then go to the left, repeat 3 times each of these stretches. Then open your feet widely, then put your elbow inside your knee and push your knee away. That's a very good stretch for the adductor and inner side of your thigh muscle. And then twist your